Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my Excel channel. Today we are going to learn a very interesting formula. So this particular formula would help you to translate any text that you have it in one language into any other language that you would like to see. So for example, if you have something that is in Portuguese or English or Hindi, any language, that particular text can be easily translated into the language that you're looking for. So this particular formula makes translation simple, and it can be easily detected to the language that you are trying to look out for. Okay, here, so without waiting much further, so let's directly getting into the formula. Here you have a workbook that lists some names in Portuguese. So now let's see how you can convert them into English or Hindi or Arabic, and whichever the language that you would like to see. Okay, so now I'm directly jumping into the my workbook. I'll just keep my camera off. So here here you see I have some names and some sentences that had been listed out in Portuguese. And here what I'm trying to see is I wanted to see them in English because I'm not familiar with much with the Portuguese, but I have received my workbook from some counterpart that is work based out in Portuguese. And I wanted to read them out, and I wanted to understand what has been really written. So how this formula would work. So here I have given some codes condition. If it is in English, En. If it is a Hindi, Hi, Arabic. So in my link below, you will be able to find out for which language, which syntax or which argument that you need to use, or which item that you need to use. Okay, so let's directly go into the formula. What we're trying to see is we're trying to know uh, here something written is a olo como oso esta. So we don't know what exactly they were saying. I wanted to understand what it is in English, what exactly they were saying. So now let's see. I am very familiar with English, and I wanted to know what it is in English. So how does formula works? The formula itself is a translator. Okay, so we will start with the formula called the translate. So this is how you will start the formula. So what are you trying to translate? There is a text that I wanted to translate. Now before I translate, I wanted to detect this language, this particular text is in which language. So even that itself is done by Excel. Okay, so now we'll go to the detect language. Okay, close the bracket, ensure you type properly, detect DETECT language, and again try and select the text that you are seeing for, and then close bracket. Now you need to finally give the target language. What is that you are looking for? Okay, I am looking out for an English. Simply select En. That is the common code for this particular formula, and then simply go ahead and enter. See, the data is getting loaded. Here is the results. What exactly Portuguese people call "Hola, como você está?" This is nothing but "Hello, how are you?" Very interesting, right? So let us try one more language. The simple formula. Let's directly go into English. We'll see what it is in English. Here still it is come in English because you need to change the arguments. Okay, it's a simple. The target language, I'm shifting from English to TE. Simple enter. It's a busy. Here it says hello Mirela unnaru. Clear? So this is very simple. Any data that you receive, instead of using Google or any other source that where you need to copy and paste and then format it in Excel workbook, this particular formula will enable you to translate the language, whichever the language that you wanted to translate, from any language that you have it available. Okay, thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed my Excel learning channel, financial modeling. Take care.